Then we're going into a high power mode, and we've got a nice flashing. And if I do it again, hi everyone. I was in the process of making a video on what I carry on a daily ride out. One of those items is a torch, and I am still going to be making that video. Probably include it in this one actually, but I've always carried a little torch, and that's got me out of trouble so many times you won't believe. Also use it a lot for when I'm maintaining the bike, when I'm working on Bumble Blade, so it's a really good thing to have. Now I was sent by Wurkkos, is that how to pronounce it? Wurkkos, the HD03, okay, which seems, considering some of the reviews I've seen, a really fantastic little replacement for that, because it can do so much more. And it's also, apparently, looking at this, 680 lumos USB rechargeable. What else does it say on here? It's 3 beams clip-on light. That could be handy. Pocket size, well, yep, let's have a look. IPX6 Waterproof, 1.5 meter impact resistance. So apparently if you drop it, which you drop a lot. So let's get it unboxed. It's daytime now. Let's have a look at it. And then later on when it's dark, we'll actually just see how good 680 lumos is on such a small unit. Okay, so here's the box. Okay. So it's a fairly solid feeling unit. It does come in other colours. So apparently it's magnetic. Shall we try? Oh yeah. Or maybe it's better like that. Either way, it's magnetic. You've got a clip there, USB at the top, and then you have either spotlight or flood. What else have we got? We have a USB-C charger. We shall work out how that fits in a bit. Now apparently it does lots, so this will be interesting to fathom out. I won't do that live on camera because it'll probably take ages. So let me have a play around with it, and then I'll show you how it works and if this is going to become an essential part of my daily riding and maintenance kit. Cool. See you in a bit. So it turns out to be a little bit more complicated than I thought, but not in a bad way. That's because it does so much. And I luckily found this flow chart. I tried to dim the lights in the room, but we will try again later at night. But having read and studied a bit, let me quickly show you some of the basic options. So you've got your on button there, and you've got obviously flood and spotlight at the side. But if I hold it on like that, our torch is on. If I hold it down, we're going into medium mode. Then we're going into a high power mode. And you hold it down again. Wow, that is that is nuts. That is really, really bright. And to turn it off, oh, and I don't know if you can let me bring it down again. Oh, that wasn't even highest mode. And turn it off like that. You've then got the locked mode. To do that, from the off position, you click this button 3 times. Okay, and it gives a little indication. And now the light will only turn on when I hold the button down. That's really cool. And then to reverse that, 1, 2, 3 quick clicks. Oops, no, we're off, straight out there. Right, next is RGB mode. So for that, with the off position, we click it twice. And here we can see it's nice and colourful. Now if I hold it down, it will change colours. So what do we want it? Nice green. Okay, nice green. What I'm going to do now though is go into the SOS mode from RGB, and that is a double click. And we've got a nice flashing. And if I do it again, we've got this. And if I do it again, and if I do it again, look at that one. Then you probably can't see it so well because obviously the way the camera is, but that is very pretty. a little bit policey. Maybe not use that at the side of the road. Oh, look at that. That is great, isn't it? Have a little party if you're out camping. Yeah, get done for impersonating a police officer if you use that. But that is seriously bright. And let's see how we turn it off. And we're off. So, and then I do believe, yep, we're straight back into that. As I said, hold it down, you got to that. Hold it down, you got it to that, and back down there. Change from spot to flood and flood to spot. Oh man. Yeah, this is something that you could carry with you everywhere. Of course, you could stick, you got the magnet. That's going to be handy when working. You got that there. So you can kind of stick it on your jacket. Hands free. Nice. Right, let's wait till it gets dark and really see what it's like. Right, so it's about 10:30 and it's pitch black. And let's give it a go. So, there we go. This is standard. Oh my god, this is bright. That's medium. That is high. Oh my god. And that's turbo. That is absolutely insane. 680 lumens. Now if you were to break down on your bike, you could put this on the back of your bike in an SOS mode, kind of really warn people there's a vehicle up ahead stuck. Right. Turbo mode. Well, anyway, good, excellent, cheap, great bit of biker kit if you ask me. Now I've seen other reviews, none of them obviously based on what I'd be using it for, which is biking. So if you feel like me, then well, grab yourself one. I'll put a link in the description below. So thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.